Hi guys, we are here at the Top Shine Car Wash Center, and we are still in Gainesville, Virginia here. This is the second car wash that I'm looking at today, and what we're going to be getting is a really cool Top Shine at the Top Shine Car Wash. It just recently opened and I saw it on the map, so that's what we're going to get today. Here's all the prices. So you got the $9, $13, $16, and $21. And we're going to be getting the 21. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So we are going in now. The Top Shine Car Wash. A recently opened car wash. And what I can tell is that this might be a Sonny's tunnel. So, here's the first glance of this car wash. And this is a Sonny's car wash tunnel. Let's get a little closer again. We are receiving the Top Shine. Make sure the car's in neutral. The foot off brake, hands off steering, and antennas down. This is a very nice Sonny's tunnel. I've not seen the dryers yet from the map, so let's go ahead and see what we got. Here's some of their equipment. All right, so we got something here. Got the $21 wash. Let's see what happens. Wow, look at this. Instead of lava, you got a big rain shower here. There's some lights on the sides. Oh, I gotta show you this. Thank you, enjoy the ride's what it said. So we got our Sonny's Minter coming up now. We had some brushes before. We got our sprayer here. Look at this, guys, the Sonny's side-to-side minter, the new one. Then we got some more stuff over here. We got the rocker panel brushes. And this is some cool lava here. And another Sonny's side-to-side minter. Ooh, we got some more mammoth dryers, guys. Alright, so here is our rinse and all that. There's some rinse stuff right there. So right up here, sorry, I went a little fast for you guys, but here's the Sonny's dryers. This looks awesome. And we got 2 sets of the Sonny's Mammoth Hair Dryers. Look at this. Looks awesome. Oh, those Mammoth hair dryers actually moved, guys. And sorry, I was not able to show you. But there was the Top Shine car wash, and oh wow, was that probably the coolest Sonny's tunnel I've been into. yet. Well guys, I will be getting the towel dry, so I guess that'll conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, and this car wash in general. This car wash looked amazing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video, y'all. And peace out.